Hello everyone, welcome to Rustling. The Quiet Forest. Once upon a time, there was a quiet forest. The trees were tall and green. The air was fresh and cold. Birds sang soft songs, and a little stream flowed gently through the woods. One evening, as the sun was setting, a small rabbit named Bella hopped into the forest. Bella was tired from a long day of playing. She looked for a cozy spot to rest. Bella found a soft patch of grass under a big oak tree. She lay down and looked up at the sky. The stars were starting to twinkle. The moon shone brightly, casting a gentle light over the forest. Bella closed her eyes. She heard the leaves rustling in the breeze. It sounded like a lullaby. The streams nearby made a soft, bubbling sound. It was very peaceful. Bella felt safe and warm. She imagined the stars were smiling down at her. The forest seemed to whisper, "Sleep well, little rabbit." Bella's breathing slowed, her body relaxed. She felt herself drifting off to sleep, surrounded by the calm and quiet of the forest. And as she slept, she dreamed of running through fields of flowers and playing with her friends under the warm sun. Good night and sweet dreams.